Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. I'm so blessed to have each and every one of you watching my video, and I just want to let you know how thankful I am for all of you that like and subscribe and support me in any way. I do try to support you as well, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. This is where I have met most of the people that motivate me and support me, and I do the same thing back. So I hope that you'll start to follow me. So in this video, we are going to do a mini clean with me. We are going to put my tree up, my Christmas tree. So as you can see, this desk is not going to fit in the entryway anymore because we have to make room for the tree. So we're going to go ahead and do that first, and then we'll move on to putting the tree up and decorating.
Text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Jolly holiday, 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 yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home.
So every year, or most years, I change my decor for the holidays, and I do change my ornaments on my tree frequently every year. So I got tired of shopping for tree skirts, so today at Hobby Lobby, when I was out shopping around, I did decide to go ahead and buy the wicker, it's kind of white colored stand that you can see in the background. I got that for $25, so I thought that was a heck of a deal, and this is something that I can use every single year. It's something that you could spray paint and change the color of if you didn't like it, or if you update your decor. So it just happens to fit really well, and as you can see, my snow wreath was blending in really well with my tree. I must have thrown it together in storage, or maybe my husband did, or my son, when they put it downstairs. So here I'm just putting the tree together, and then I'm going to separate all of the branches. But before I do that, you can see that I very much struggled with trying to find the cords to connect everything together. It was buried way back deep in there in each of the 3 levels, and I had a heck of a time. So anyways, I did end up finding them, lit up the tree, and then ended up pulling all of the branches apart to make the tree fluffier. Pulling the branches apart on a flocked tree with snow is quite messy, so you will have a lot of debris on the bottom of your floor, and then I had it all over my clothing, and it's not something that's easily cleanable. It does stick to your clothing, so consider that whenever you are getting a flocked snow tree. So these are ornaments that I got today at Hobby Lobby as well. I ended up picking 4 different kinds and putting them back 4 separate times, and I'm not even kidding you. I was in there for 2 hours today. My daughter was so over it, but when I got in the checkout line, I saw a lady in front of me choosing navy ornaments, and I was like, wow, those are beautiful. And as she continued to put things on the counter, I noticed that I was not loving what was in my cart anymore. So the lady in front of me definitely influenced me to go with the navy, which I'm glad I did, because most of the decor in my house is the darker masculine navy color. So I went ahead and put everything back that I had and grabbed the navy ornaments, and then I paired it with some gold. The ribbon that you can see I use as a filler in my tree, so I just cut it into probably maybe 1 foot strips, if that, and then you'll see me put those around the tree to kind of fill in the areas that I think would be boring if it was just ornaments. So here I'm just taking my strips of ribbon. The ribbon was, I think, $6.99 for the entire roll, and then because Hobby Lobby was having the 50% off sale, I got it for about $3.50. As you can see, I was able to cut a ton of ribbon pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in between the branches. I'm going to put them diagonal, but I'm going to put them going different directions. So it'll look like it's kind of wrapped around the tree, but not really, maybe in and out. I just think it makes it look more elegant, and then the lights hit the glitter, which makes it, whenever you have a snow tree, things tend to not pop out as much, especially if you use darker colors. So if you use items with glitter, they tend to catch your eye more. Also, if you are using matte bulbs, it's always good to mix those with some shiny bulbs as well, which I did. So I have the matte navy blue bulbs, but then I also have the shiny navy blue bulbs, and that way the glitter won't only catch your eye, but the shine from the shiny bulbs will also hit your eye. So it's just a nice focal point, and that way if parts of your tree do not stand out, the ornaments will. You guys, my sweet and beautiful children wanted to help me decorate, and I absolutely couldn't say no. I feel like this is a family thing, decorating the tree and decorating the entire house. They each have a tree in their bedrooms that they decorate on their own, but whenever they want to get involved with the rest of the house, I'm absolutely not going to say no. I think it is so great to be able to spend that time with them. I work a lot, and anytime that they're like, "Mom, can I help?" I'm like, "Yeah, please do. I love it."
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah, haven't seen you in so long. Though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I missed your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday.
I want to thank you guys again so much for watching my video, as well as all of the other videos that you have watched and shown me support on. You don't know how much that means to me. It just gives me the motivation to keep going, and I appreciate it so much. So anyways, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for being here as my subscriber. If you've already subscribed, you are very much appreciated, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
When I got you by my side, what a night.